Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Artificial intelligence is growing at an unbelievable speed. AI can now write articles. AI can create images. AI can answer questions, edit videos, generate music, and even assist businesses in making decisions. And because of this rapid growth, many people are worried. Will AI take our jobs? Will businesses run entirely by machines? Will human workers become irrelevant? These are valid questions, and they are being asked all over the world. However, despite all the impressive things AI can do, there are still certain businesses that depend heavily on human emotions, human trust, human creativity, relationships, physical presence, and real-world experience. In today's video, we are going to explore businesses that AI cannot easily replace and why they are likely to remain valuable for many years to come. So make sure you watch until the end because some of these businesses require very little capital to start, yet they may become even more important in the AI era. The first business that AI cannot replace easily is personal care and beauty businesses. AI can recommend beauty products. AI can analyze skin conditions, but it cannot physically braid hair. It cannot physically style someone's hair or apply makeup, perform a manicure, or provide personalized beauty treatment. People often visit salons not only for beauty services but also for human interaction and trust. Businesses such as hair salons, barber shops, nail studios, makeup services, and beauty spas will continue to thrive because people want human attention and personalized experiences. The second business that AI cannot replace is childcare and daycare services. Parents trust humans more than machines when it comes to caring for their children. AI may assist teachers and caregivers, but it cannot replace genuine human nurturing, genuine emotional support and supervision. As populations grow and parents become busier, childcare businesses will remain in high demand. Examples of these businesses include daycare centers, babysitting services, child development centers, and children's activity programs. Human connection is essential when raising children. The third business that AI cannot replace is skilled trade business. One major weakness of AI is physical work in unpredictable environments. Think about plumbers, electricians, carpenters, welders, and mechanics. Every home and business occasionally needs repairs. AI can provide instructions, but it cannot easily crawl under your sink. It cannot repair your roof or fix your electrical wiring. These businesses are likely to remain valuable for decades. The fourth business that cannot be replaced by AI is elderly care services. The global population is aging. Many elderly people require companionship, emotional support, healthcare assistance, and daily care. AI robots may help with reminders and monitoring. However, elderly people often need compassion and human interaction. And businesses that provide home care, businesses that provide assisted living services and caregiver services, and also senior support programs, they are expected to grow significantly in the coming years. The fifth business that cannot be replaced by AI is event planning business. Planning weddings, funerals, conferences, birthdays, and community events requires creativity. It requires emotional intelligence and problem solving. There are unexpected challenges that often arise during events. AI can generate schedules and ideas, but people will still prefer experienced event planners who can adapt to changing situations. And this makes event planning one of the businesses AI cannot easily replace. The other business I have that AI cannot easily replace is counseling and coaching services. People seek guidance during difficult moments in life. While AI can provide information and suggestions, many individuals want to speak with a real person who understands emotion and personal experience. These services include things like life coaching, relationship coaching, career coaching, and business mentorship. Trust and human understanding remain critical in these fields. The seventh business that AI cannot easily replace is religious and spiritual services. Technology can provide religious content. AI can even summarize scriptures. However, many people value human spiritual leadership. Faith communities depend on relationships, trusts, mentorship, and personal guidance. Religious leaders continue to play important roles in helping people navigate life's challenges. The eighth business that AI cannot replace, hey, this one is exciting. Food business. AI can automate parts of food preparation. However, local restaurants, street food vendors, catering businesses, and home cooked food services often thrive because of unique recipes and personal customer relationships. People enjoy authentic experiences and cultural flavors that machines alone cannot fully replicate. And food will always be a necessity. The ninth business on my list that AI cannot replace is creative businesses built on personal brand. Yes, AI can generate content, but people still follow people. Many successful creators grow because audiences connect with their personalities. They connect with their stories, experiences, and opinions. Which peoples are these? YouTubers like myself, public speakers, podcasters, motivational speakers, and entertainers. The stronger your personal brand becomes, the harder it is for AI to replace you. This is one reason content creation remains a powerful opportunity. Last but not least, business number 10 that AI will never replace is cleaning and property maintenance services. AI-powered tools can assist cleaning crews. However, homes, offices, schools, and businesses still require physical cleaning and maintenance. Services such as house cleaning, office cleaning, landscaping, gardening, and property maintenance, they continue to require human labor and attention to detail. And as cities grow, demand for these services is likely to increase. An important lesson we should learn here is the biggest mistake people make is assuming AI will eliminate all opportunities. The reality is different. AI will replace some tasks. AI will transform many industries, but it will also create new opportunities. The most successful people in the future may not be those who compete against AI. Instead, they will be those who learn how to work alongside AI while offering something uniquely human. Skills like communication, creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and relationship building. These skills will become even more valuable. As I conclude this video, my people, as AI continues to evolve, certain businesses will change dramatically. However, businesses built around human relationships, businesses built around trust, physical skills, emotional intelligence, and personal experiences are much harder to replace. And instead of fearing AI, let us focus on building skills and businesses that combine technology with human value. The future belongs to people who adapt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Please remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my future content. Please also comment here below. I would love to hear from you. Which of those businesses that I've mentioned do you think will survive the AI revolution? Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.